What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What is identity theft? Many people who are careful about paying bills on time and having minimal debts are shocked each year to find that they have low credit scores. In many cases, this happens because of identity theft. Identity theft is a type of crime in which people take your personal information and steal that information to pose as you get access to your accounts or identity. For example, someone with your PIN numbers can remove small amounts of money from your bank account each month, or someone can use your name and personal information to get credit cards in your name and use those credit cards with no intention of paying back the money. You're stuck with large debts and a poor credit score. To prevent identity theft, always check your account statements carefully each month. Report any suspicious activity or any charges you don't recognize at once. Also, check your credit report regularly and immediately investigate any new credit accounts you do not recognize. This is the best way of detecting and acting on identity theft. If you have been the victim of identity theft, report it to the police at once and get a police statement. Send copies of this to your bank and credit bureaus. Better yet, get the credit bureaus to attach the report to your credit report if you can. Close all your accounts and reopen new ones. You should not have to pay for someone else's illegal activity. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.